Welcome everybody, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how to sell on Takealot. What is Takealot? Takealot is the largest e-seller company in the whole South Africa. So Takealot has done in 2023, they did $827 million in revenue. So if you convert this to rands, it's an insane amount of money. Takealot is basically the Amazon version for South Africa. So when it comes to selling on Takealot, there's a few things you need to keep in mind. You can either be a lead time seller, or you can be somebody that sends in stock to the Takealot warehouse and stores it there. So how lead time ordering works is you have the physical product at your house or at a warehouse, and then when you receive an order on Takealot, you take that product, you package it, you put your labels on, you send it to Takealot, they take it out of the box, put it in the Takealot box and add the products if somebody ordered something else, and then they send that out to your customer. But when having stock at Takealot, you send a much bigger amount of products in and you store them at the warehouse. Now this comes at a cost, but you can save up when sending in bulk products. So then when a customer orders something from Takealot, it's already at the warehouse, they take it off the shelf, they put it in a box and they send it directly to your customer. So now that I've explained that a bit, I'm going to show you how to get on the Takealot seller portal, and I'm going to show you how to get onto Takealot and being allowed to sell on their platform. So you're going to head over to Google and you're going to search Takealot seller. When you're searching this, you're going to look for the first one that says apply to sell on Takealot. So if you look over here, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see sell your products on Takealot, apply. I'm going to press on this one and then it's going to open up a page that I need to fill in. So how can we get in touch? Just gonna add your first name, your last name, your email, phone number, all that basic stuff. Now here's a few tips that you can take. Company name, you want this to be something unique. This is going to be your name on Takealot when somebody sees your store on there. Your category, you can pick whichever category you want, and then this is a really important key. If you have a dropshipping website or you have some sort of business website which you can show them, this will increase your chances of getting accepted onto their platform a lot. So if you have a website to show them so they can see, okay, this guy is selling pet products, his website looks like this, we see he has products, he knows how to sell them, it's going to be counting in your favor, trust me guys. So you're just going to fill in this, VAT, all those things, and then business owner, you're going to fill in this as well. Tell us about your products, what brands and products do you carry. So over here you want to type something nice about how your products work, how they look, what brands they are. Show some intent. Make Takealot think that you really want to get on the platform. This is a good guide to allow to sell on our platform. This is going to be your best school essay or the best essay that you've ever written. So then, do you have a physical store? You're just going to fill out all these questions. So here at the bottom, do you have any additional comments? This is where you're going to add your own thing and you're going to type something nice here. Make it inspirational so that they have the image of you as this good guy that wants to come onto their platform, that can increase their sales, that can make them a better platform. So they must see value in you through this essay or this few things you're gonna write over there. So when you're done with that, you're gonna press apply to sell. When you filled out the entire form, it's gonna take around 2 days. They're gonna email you if you got accepted. So congratulations, you got accepted to sell on Takealot, and now you need to go to the next step. So Takealot has a 2-hour onboarding course that you first need to finish to get all the rules of how things work on Takealot, and they show you how to use their platform. This is unnecessary if you already know it, but if you're new, please go through this as this will help and contains a lot of valuable information. So now you're going to start with lead time ordering. So lead time ordering is when you're going to have the physical product, you send it to Takealot and then they send it to your customer. The thing with lead time ordering is you can find winning products or products that are selling well, and then you can send in bulk of those products to Takealot and store it at their warehouse, so when somebody orders, it comes directly from their warehouse straight to the customer. So for the next example of lead time ordering, I'm going to use Macro as my supplier. So let's say somebody orders this microphone from Takealot and I'm selling that microphone. They ordered the product. Now I go to Macro, I go buy this microphone, I take it home, I package it in a box, I put on the specific labels that Takealot require, and then I ship it to the Takealot DC, and then they package it over into the Takealot boxes and then send it to your customer. So now you're gonna tell me, but Dion, this is hard work and I don't have time for this. And this is where I want to come, and I'm going to tell you guys about BlockSeven Commerce. So BlockSeven Commerce is the only South African supply and fulfillment business that do fulfillment for Takealot sellers that I know of. So how it works is you go onto our website, you get a subscription for 100 Rand a month. You get access to over 6,000 products, and we fulfill your products for you and send it to Takealot. So if you get a sale on Takealot, you go on our store, you order that product, we go to the warehouse and we package your product for you, then we send it directly to Takealot. You don't ever have to see, touch or hear anything about the product. This cuts you out completely and makes it almost as an automatic system. So when you get an order, you go onto our website and then you order it, we do the rest, everything is sorted. And this could help you guys when you find a winning product, then we can send in stock for you, and we can even help you guys manage your stores. So if you would be interested in this option, then go to our website, the name is right here, BlockSevenCommerce.com, and go check it out, and feel free to contact me if you have any questions about that. So Takealot selling is really a good business in 2023 to start, and e-commerce and online sales won't ever stop. Everything is going full online now, so you better hop on this trend and you better get in early before it's too oversaturated and before other people are taking over and it gets harder to get on these platforms. So I just want to show you guys, while I was busy recording this video, we just got 4 sales on Takealot. Just by sitting here, I can show you there, you guys can see there 4 sales. It's a total of 1,600 Rand in sales, and this is with absolutely zero marketing, and that's the best thing for me on Takealot. You don't have to do any marketing because Takealot has such a big amount of users on their platform every single day that are looking for things to buy, and this makes it amazing. You just have to have your product on there. Just be on Takealot and I promise you will get a sale. So I hope you guys have found value in this video. If you want to get a full course, the link is down below. If you want to get a step-by-step guide on how to sell on Takealot, and we go into every single detail. If you guys have not yet, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.